Hey everybody, it's Adam again. Part two of my gardening video out here in Edgewood. And just out here raking up debris from some tree trimming I did. Basically pine trees and some shrubs. But I've got a gathering system that's working pretty good. I use this box right here and just load it up with debris, leaves, twigs, stuff. And then I put it on this tarp right here, and then I'll haul it out. And it works for me. If you guys know a better way, let me know. And as far as tree trimming goes, this is kind of new to me, so I'm a beginner when it comes to gardening. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I am a gardener. I am learning, so I can use some tips on how to tree trim, um, things of that nature. I am good at cleaning up, though. I can clean up and take care of debris and mess like that. I have a flatbed trailer that I can use to haul out debris if I need to. But these are some of the local trees, basically pine, local pine. I trim that one. This one I like to keep full because it's in front of the house and it's giving the house shade. So that works out really well. There seems to be like a bird sanctuary out here. So I do keep a bird feeder under this tree, and this bird feeder will feed about 30 or 40 birds that are in this area. But I've got more to do, more debris to rake up and haul away. As you can see on this tree over here, did some tree trimming on that one, and so far so good. Okay, this is Adam, beginner gardener out in Edgewood. Talk to you later.